why you feel weak all the time. Most people think they're weak because they lack motivation. That's not true. You don't wake up every morning wanting to fail. You don't plan to waste hours scrolling your phone. You don't dream about feeling tired all day. Yet somehow, it keeps happening. Day after day, week after week, year after year. Eventually, you start asking yourself, what's wrong with me? The answer might surprise you, because the problem isn't that you're lazy. The problem is that your energy system is broken. And when your energy is broken, everything becomes harder. Getting out of bed feels harder. Focusing feels harder. Working feels harder. Even simple decisions feel harder. Most people spend years trying to fix motivation, but motivation was never the real problem. Imagine a chimp in the wild. A chimp doesn't wake up searching for motivation videos. A chimp doesn't need 5 cups of coffee just to function. It wakes up with energy. It climbs. It explores. It acts because its body is working the way nature intended. Now compare that to modern life. Staying awake late into the night, scrolling endlessly, sleeping too little, moving too little, living indoors, then wondering why you feel weak. Weakness is rarely a motivation problem. Most of the time, it's an energy problem. And every day, there are invisible enemies stealing that energy from you. The first enemy is poor sleep. Most people treat sleep like it's optional. It's not. Sleep is where your brain repairs itself. Sleep is where your body recovers. Sleep is where tomorrow's energy is created. Every hour of sleep you sacrifice today becomes weakness tomorrow. The second enemy is constant stimulation, notification, short videos, message, entertainment. Every minute of every day, your brain never gets a chance to rest, never gets a chance to recover, never gets a chance to be bored. And boredom is where focus is built. The third enemy is a life without movement. Your body was designed to move, to walk, to climb, to explore. But modern life teaches the opposite. Sit, scroll, watch, repeat, hour after hour, day after day, year after year. Then people wonder why they feel weak. The solution isn't complicated. The chimp follows 3 simple rules. Rule number 1, protect your sleep. Go to bed earlier. Wake up consistently. Treat sleep like a superpower, because it is. Rule number 2, move every day. Walk, stretch, train, run. It doesn't matter how. Just move. Your body rewards movement with energy. Rule number 3, get sunlight. Step outside. Feel the morning light. Nature solved this problem long before smartphones existed. You don't need a secret formula. You don't need a magic supplement. You need to start living more like a human being and less like a machine trapped behind a screen. Every day you have 2 choices. You can continue draining your energy, or you can start rebuilding it, one a bit at a time, one decision at a time, one day at a time. Most people spend their entire lives chasing motivation. The strongest people build energy first, then motivation follows. Remember this: a weak body creates a weak mind. A strong body creates a strong mind. If you're ready to take your energy back, comment energy below. Subscribe to Chimp and join us for the next lesson. The evolution continues.